Let's drive this to Flips for an exhaust.
It's loud. Terrified. Oh God. Nah, not yet. I don't know if I'm allowed. Still on the running aisle, so I don't know. Ah. Look at this shit. Oh no, it's starting to rain. And here I go. Nice, great.
There she is, boy. Hopefully that hanger now is the job. Look, it's not the end of the fucking world.
Yeah.
How are you getting on, lads?
When the boys there, that's something different now.
So we've
bring out a new resurgence and people wanting them.
we put on the take one of the Josh Fab manifold, our exhaust. It's sitting a bit low. That's going to rub off things, so we're probably going to hack it up again and do it again, because there needs to be a hanger here, and this probably needs to be here, and a few bits and bobs is not being utilised. The original cat used to hang out here, so all these kind of spaces need to be
used. Sure, look.
He didn't have any interest. It's okay.
Like even from here back.
I know. Yeah.
Keep this up out of the way, because these flanges really, this is what.
Yeah, and they'll just catch on
pull
things.
Off your manifold, and crack your manifold,
which is already cracked.
But no,
I know. Yeah, make it fucking worse. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, Jesus, if man, I'd want it to be like the best thing ever if I'm spending money on a new manifold.
Oh yeah, I just mean.
Oh yeah, it's fucked, sure. Yeah.
It's gonna go. And it's not like I hit a bump in the road.
No.
And it'll push it out of the way.
It's going to just fucking mangle. So this manifold is fucked, and I'm 400 quid into that, and then whatever into that. But look, that's what it's all about. We will figure it out.
Yeah, just like fucking.
We're so rich. We just burn cash. Fuck this.
Cash.
Look, as long as the pockets are mint, they're still here, and I don't have any deep pockets, but at least I have mint pockets. Ooh, they're getting a bit rusty again. We'll have to sort that.
It just fucking reminds me, like, I mean.
Yeah, just do it.
Just fucking burn the money, man.
Cash. Money burning. Oh shit.
Still legal tender.
It is
illegal to
burn.
Do that.
So you broke the law.
Yeah, because the Queen's
she is.
face, which looks a bit square,
Yeah.
Can't be doing that. And our house, Birmingham Palace. On the ground.
Oh Jesus Christ Almighty.
See, that's like, oh my God, like, obviously you didn't envisage that, like.
Yeah, because it just stayed with the body and just goes the whole way down to the ground.
Yeah. Well, just take a picture of it and show him.
Not that loud now.
No, it's funny, I can actually talk to you.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Before it was like, what? It had to... we get an out start up?
Ready?
Wait there now. Go on. Oh, Jesus. Good.
Right, so failure with the old exhaust for now. That's that. We'll just do something else. Ah, yes. The old. What do you do? Just step up the drill bit sizes?
Step up to the streets.
Step up to the streets. Yes, step up to the streets.
Just fucking.
Let's glue this back together. Ah, yes.
Ah, no.
Ah, well, sure.
But this bit doesn't matter because it's the.
Yeah.
This is the.
So look, even if the other one breaks as is, why is it flashing?
It's telling you the batteries are low.
Right.
Well, this one was always going to break because it was.
Yeah.
It was fuck. Look.
Yeah, well, we don't need that.
There's a load of like area for.
Yeah, for contact. Dashsurgeries.com.
Dag, I can't really mark it, but I know.
Yeah, but you know you go down right and then
go.
just run along there, yeah.
I'd like it not to fuse back together, though.
Yeah.
It's quite annoying. Where did it go? That way.
That way. Yeah.
It's really confusing.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
That's not too bad.
No, that's fucking good enough for me, my man.
Okay.
What's this stuff then? Is it like a
It's just an epoxy.
good tack?
Oh, right there.
How long does that stuff take to set?
5 minutes.
So you have to hold it for 5 minutes?
Yeah, boy. Getting a cramp like here.
Lad. So the funny story about this dashboard, it's in mint condition, it has no cracks on it, and the guy had it for sale for a long time, and a bunch of people building UK spec replicas came down and they walked away because it had this little groove in it here.
Because of the cage.
Because of the cage, and I'm going to be putting a fucking cage in it, so I don't care. But yeah, so I got very, very lucky because uncracked black right-hand drive dashes are worth a lot of money now. Oh, she's moving, is she? Nice. Yeah, well, Orioiling?
Huh?
How, what is Orioiling? But it's an A. It's an Irish. I could be totally wrong. Does anyone know what that was like with the Irish way of an I, or is it a D? Orioiling. That's great, thank you. It's like the last fucking thing that was hanging out. Fantastic. Deadly. That's like the last, well no, I guess it's on this as well, but just that fucking grey just haunted me since the start. The old, what's this? Oh, the smell, it smells like melted plastic, which is exactly what it is.
There's the plug, look, see?
Oh, right, yeah, double chambers. Crazy. It's just liquid plastic, basically.
It's a liquid dashboard, eh?
Liquid dashboard. Liquid dashboard sounds like the name of an emo band.
New liquid
I
dashboard.
wish people could smell it on the fucking thing.
Oh, it's fucking
It just
horrible.
smells like melting.
So people are definitely going to ask, so. Oh, you can't really see it.
Evercoat Multi-Fix
Multi-Fix
Plastic Repair Adhesive. Nice.
Just try not to drip it everywhere.
Plasti weld.
These are those.
On the outside?
The outside, yeah, so it's proper, so I could just like all the time.
Okay.
And open slabs to here.
Yeah. Yes, boy.
I don't have to go out and open a thing anymore.
That's fantastic. So yeah, black. Black on the motors, black on this, which you'll never see. It's going to be inside. Black on the little caps for the motors. And then the boss kit is satin black. Great stuff. Nice. That's an improvement. Good stuff. We got loads done today and yesterday. Absolute fucking progress land. I can't drive.
Much progress. There's so many cars happening.
Yeah, I can't drive mine back now because of the wet, so I'll drive it back over tomorrow. Bullshit. Good times. I don't know what to say about that. This is good. Lots of goodness. And then these little fuckers. Ah, finally it has a face again. So, more progress soon.
Satisfaction. Guaranteed.
And the little cap, we painted them purple too for pure laziness, or black. So it just looks
Well, that bit needs a bit more.
tidiness. So my little brother's been learning how to drive, and we let him drive the black Micra that you might have seen in the videos, automatic. And he's been driving around the business park since 3 o'clock today. He ran out of fuel, so he's probably driven like 100 kilometers just around the business park.
Learning.
It's first time ever driving, so it's a perfect car. It's hilarious. He just keeps driving past every like 2 minutes. Nice.
What do you need? What spanner? 10? You love the old ratcheting, don't you?
I love it.
You're always at it on a Sunday. Hey, buddy. Did you ever see Wally?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Cool, both of them work.
Wally.
I'm so easily amused.
We get a fucking artsy fucking side shot here, look. I look so good there.